Hey guys, I'm Rihanna. In this video, I will show you how we can use LiveData to monitor an internet connection. Let's start. A connection to the internet is now one of the most important requirements for any application. If you have used any mobile application for a while, you may have seen a little banner with red or a green backdrop at top of or bottom of the screen, depending on application UI, to show network connection status. So what do we do? How can we make connection detection simpler, more lifecycle aware, and more real-time? With the release of ArtCheck component, we have got a LiveData, which we can use to simplify connection detection. LiveData is lifecycle aware and can manage the lifecycle efficiently. So let's take a look at how we will do it. First of all, we need to prepare a UI for when connection is connected or disconnected. This sample is so simple, so you can do anything with you have internet or not. I want to just show a picture and the text when our internet connected or disconnected. So I add an image view. It's better to set a fixed size for this one. Okay, and also we need to set an ID for this one. Okay, it's great. So needs set constraint. And parents. Okay, and also I should add some drawable here. That one is good. So let me check. Yes, this one is good. Okay, and here we can set CRC, yeah, for yes, this one is good. And also I want to add a text view. Set ID. Okay, also about constraint, I need to set constraint. And top bottom of my image view. I guess it's enough and looks good. And the other things that I should to do add permission, because this code, it's work with internet. Okay, uses permission. Yes, the internet connection. And also we need another one. Okay, access network Yes, this one. Okay, now our UI is ready, and also we added our permission, and now we need to create a class for checking connection. So here I want to create check connection. Yes, is okay. And here it should be extend from LiveData. Yes, sorry, yeah. And here we should set Boolean. Why? Because our status network just has two situations. We have internet or we don't have internet. True, false, just that. Also here we need to pass a connectivity manager. Private val cm. Yes, this one. Also I need a constructor. Yes, and inside my constructor I need application, and okay, and here application dot get system service. Yes, and here context activity service. Yes, this one as a connectivity manager. Yes, it's great. And here need a variable network callback. Yes, object connectivity manager with network callback. And inside this my object I should override two methods. Unavailable, yes, this one, and the other one unlost. Yes, this one. And here I use post value true. This method is direct related to LiveData, and if my connection is available, so post true, and if my connection is gone, post value false. And I should create two functions for sending request to checking network status. Oh, sorry, no, it's better. Yeah, it's better. Network request, yes. Builder. Yes, and CM, and also we need to register when it's active. Request dot build, and also should pass network callback. Yes, this one. Also I need to have another one in, yes, this method, and just need to unregister the past network callback. So I guess everything is done here. Just let me check. Oh, sorry, I should, yeah, this one. This is, yes. Our error is gone. And okay, here our work is done and just need to coding in the main activity. Okay, in the main activity, I just added Viewbinding here. If you don't know about Viewbinding, you can check my video about that in the beginner playlist. Okay, here first of all, I need to create an object from my class here. Check connection, yes, by lazy. Check connection, and here past application. Yes, great. And here just need check connection dot observe. Yes, and past the owner. And here we can see it's Boolean. Okay, so if it is true, that means we have internet connection. And if we don't have, I mean, if it false, that means we don't have internet connection. So in this bracket, you can do anything if you have internet connection, and the else part also, you can do everything that you want when you don't have internet connection. For example, so show message or something like that. Here, image status dot set image resource or the drawable dot. Oh, I didn't add a drawable for this connection. Here, yes, this one. And again, Wi-Fi. Yeah, this one is good. And also let me add some color on the colors. Okay, here. Name, sorry, disconnect. Here you can pass the color. I have it. Yes, it's good. And another one, when connection is connect, it can be this one. Yeah, it's good. Okay, back here, and yes, oh sorry, here I should the other one. Yes, this one. And also, and here image status dot set. And also I want to set color for my this image view. Yes, that's get color. Yes, past context and are that color. Yes, it's true. And connect color, yeah. And then yes, this one, and yes, that mode. Yes, multi. That is great. Also, I have a text view, and I can set some sentence and also change the color of my text view. Yeah, this one is good. And also I can set the color for my text view. Set, yes, this one. And again, context compat dot get color, pass activity, and that color dot connect. Yeah, it's great. I can copy this item for these. Here I should change the Wi-Fi if our internet is disconnect. And also about color, here I can select discount, also disconnect, sorry, also here as well. And here yes, yes, it's done. And now we can run our application and see results. I stop recording. After running application, I will back. Here we can see the result of our code. Now I have a Wi-Fi connection and my internet is connected. And if I turn it off, this image view turns to red and change the image for disconnect situation. Let's see. Yes. Okay, guys, this video here is done. If you have any question, please feel free to ask or leave me a comment. And also please subscribe my channel and like my video. All of this encourages me to create more and more video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.